It's a beautiful morning here in Colorado in the middle of winter. We are about to head to Grand Lake, Colorado for the first installment of the Whoop the Mountains event. We are going to be meeting up with a few people to all head there together. I have got the Hummer fully packed for a fantastic weekend adventure. We've got everything from cars to planes to drones in here, and definitely whoops, of course, given the event. But we will catch you guys as soon as we are at the Remote Control Hobbies on Smoky Hill to head to Grand Lake from there. Alright guys, so we were just at RCH. We got a bag full of goodies somewhere in the back here. Oh yeah, bunch of new stuff for the Whoop the Mountains this weekend. And we are headed to Kyle's house right now. We are going to make a little stop there. Alrighty guys, we have arrived at Kyle's house. We are about to regroup here and make sure that everybody's got what they need to head up to Grand Lake and set up for the awesome Whoop the Mountains. I can't wait for this event, guys. I'm super excited, and we will get back to you guys when we are actually officially headed on our way to Grand Lake, Colorado. See you then. Peace out. What up, buddy?
You about ready?
Oh yeah. So we have had a slight change of plans. Kyle is getting coffee right now, and we have picked up the one and only Mr. Adam Shattered FPV, and we are gonna head to Grand Lake together here. He's gonna be my co-pilot on this little road trip, and we're going to, right now we're just waiting for Kyle to get his coffee, man. So we're gonna see how this goes as soon as he is done. He's about at the window right now, so we should be headed out pretty soon. They're taking their time with this coffee. What up, guys? Kyle has just gotten out of the bathroom from his pit stop. What's up, buddy?
Good?
Oh yeah. But anyway, Kyle is now back. We are waiting on Adam. He went to the bathroom. Looks like he also picked up some beverages, but we will be on our way shortly. Hopefully we'll meet you guys in Grand Lake. It looks like we only have about a 42-minute drive until we get to Grand Lake, so it shouldn't be too much of an effort. We have definitely put most of the trip behind us so far, and you know, we're just looking for an exciting weekend full of fun and a bunch of craziness. Oh, it looks like there's Adam now. You got all the beverages and snacks that you need there?
Yeah, son. It's my snack. One case? We're about to have a fucking hell of a goddamn time.
Oh yeah, boys, are you ready to haul out?
You ready?
Next stop, Grand Lake?
Yep, next stop, Grand Lake.
Oh yeah.
I love being a woman and have to pee here to there, so we're good. I can usually make it about 35 miles. We got 32 and a half, so.
Perfect. So check this out, guys. Homie has got all the suction cups, the full filming equipment. So it looks like somebody got stuck, right? Is that what happened? Somebody got stuck on the side of the road?
Some fucking bullshit.
So how could they be blocking up the whole highway though? That's what I don't understand.
Oh, because they're being pulled out. They're being torn out.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Damn, they got stuck in there good. We made it, guys. We're in Grand Lake, Colorado. What a beautiful place here in Grand Lake. We're gonna catch you on the next one tomorrow. We're gonna go set up Whoop the Mountains 2020, and we'll be having a fantastic time. But I will catch you guys tomorrow. I think I'm gonna grab some food.